Every time I think of you, I get a shot right through to a water blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem of mine. Living a life that I can't leave behind. There's no sense in telling me to visit mama who won't set you free. The best way that it goes, and it's what nobody knows. And every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for that final moment to say the words that I can say. I feel fine and I feel good. I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. We can't repeat ourselves like we were yesterday. I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you see. I do think to myself that if I hurt someone else, then I'll never see just what we're meant to be. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that fire.